truck is back. We're going for a ride in its truck. Transmissions got rebuilt, new rear main seal. A lot of work got done. Still a little more work to do, but I've been waiting to drive this thing for a while. Here we go. All right, Molly. Got my baby back. It's kind of like my favorite child.
The truck. That's nice.
I love this truck.
Not my phone.
Not your phone, that's my phone. So I am actually a little nervous on this road trip. In January, this thing made it a mile down the road and blew a water pump out. Very next trip, it didn't even get out of my driveway and it lost first and second gear. I mean, sometimes I think this truck just don't want to ride. Have you ever had a vehicle seem like it was fighting you that hard to not go on a road trip? Proud father moment right here. I am passing the torch. My youngest daughter is driving off-road for the first time in her life. She's driving on this covered bridge for the first time in her life. Pretty cool moment as dad, I'm not gonna lie. She is actually going to do the majority of this ride, at least the off-road part of the ride. And then I'll finish out the day on the paved sections.
I'm gonna walk behind you too. I'm gonna get back in front of you when you get to the tunnel part, okay? I'm gonna get back in front of you when you get to the tunnel part.
It looks like she's about to drive off and leave me, and it's a long walk home. If you watch any of my videos, you know this bridge was used in the movie Lawless because we ride here quite often. It's pretty convenient to the house. I'm curious how you feel, but I love the rolling shots on these backcountry roads. And if you got a really keen eye, you'll notice this is still the same route from the Backcountry Roads tour a few weeks ago. So now my daughter's really going to get to learn some driving skill. This is an older, more analog vehicle, no traction control. It does have the G80 locker, but she'll do these creek crossings and learn how to use the throttle to maintain momentum and limit the wheel spin so you can keep traction. It's warm weather and it's summertime, and there are two things in my life I have found I do not want to wear. That would be hats and shoes. Up ahead, we'll find another father teaching his kids how to ride, but they're on dirt bikes. Now back to the Country Roads Tour. You'll remember I mentioned this was the first town I had seen actually celebrating America's 250th anniversary. I've looked forward to this for a very long time. Been kind of disappointed so far, but I told my girls about it, and now I am bringing my youngest one back. We are en route to Pine Mountain, Georgia. We're gonna go show them some love. We're gonna hit their local town, grab a burger, walk around, shop a little bit, finish down some ice cream, and I'm letting her drive all the way there for America's 250th year. That's cool. And here we go, tying a bow on the adventure. We will finish off on one of the best paved roads to ride in all of Middle Georgia. This is the FDR Scenic Byway, Georgia Highway 190. You'll see a lot of motorcycles coming down here quite often. It's not quite Tail of the Dragon, but it is a windy mountaintop road with a lot of twists and turns. Really fun to ride. Even though it's paved, it's one of my favorite places to come ride, at least near my house, with some epic overlooks, by the way, especially in the fall time when the leaves are down, because you're on top of the mountains the whole way. Well guys, thank you for watching 1870 Off-Road. Check out these buttons that are going to be popping up on the screen here. You got your normal YouTube stuff, subscribe and all that. But really what I want you to see is I put a lot of effort into playlists. So if you're watching my video and you like the Silverado content, or you like the Project OBS, or you just want to watch the Jeeps, or you just want to watch off-roading or just road trips, I have all these different types of playlists, and I'll pop up the ones I think are relevant right here so you can click it and enjoy more videos. Goodbye, everybody, and God bless.